Getting started with Total Home is easy. First, set your login. Next, create your account. Then submit your payment and your account is live. Once your account setup is complete, you can customize your business page or quickly get started by selecting Publish As Is to share the information you've already entered. If you choose to publish, your business will appear instantly on Total Home with key details like your name, phone number, and email address. To make the most of your profile, add a short description of your services, upload your logo, include your business address and hours, select up to 10 services you offer, areas served, and if applicable, provide any license information. Once you are happy with your profile, click Publish Changes, and now you're all set. Your profile is live and your page is now visible to thousands of Bay Area consumers, helping you attract new business opportunities. Get started today. Email hello@totalhomedirectory.com for more information. We look forward to working with you.